Hello and welcome to Nola Cooks. My name is Wonola. If it's your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more recipes every week. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends, or anyone that might be needing this recipe. On today's video, I'll show you how to make this chicken shawarma. It's super easy and it's so delicious. If you're interested, please keep watching. I am using chicken breast for this recipe, which is my most preferred part of chicken to use for recipes like this because it's easier to use and it cooks very fast and it is boneless. So you can use any part of chicken that you want, just make sure that you remove the bones. I will be marinating the chicken in yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt for this recipe, but you can use any kind of unsweetened yogurt of your choice. You can do it without the yogurt if you don't want. I'm also using a lot of spices to marinate this chicken. Please check a list of all ingredients used in this video in the description box below. I used my most preferred spices for this recipe. You can use whatever you want. You can customize it to the kind of taste that you want. You know, making shawarma at home, you need to customize it to whatever taste that you want the shawarma to have. I'm just going to give it a good mix, and this is really important because it helps to combine all the spices together. I cleaned the chicken and I'm going to cut them into flat stripes and put them in a marinade that I prepared earlier. Next, I'm mixing all of that together and I'm going to marinate it in my fridge for 1 hour. My chicken has been in the fridge for 1 hour and some minutes, and I'm going to transfer it to the oven to grill for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Remember, it's chicken breast, it doesn't take long to cook. Next, you need to pan fry the hot dogs. I added a bit of olive oil in the frying pan and I'm going to pan fry the hot dogs for about 3 minutes, and while doing this, you need to keep turning it. The chicken is ready now and you need to just cut them into tiny pieces with a knife. Next, I'm going to add some ketchup and mayonnaise to the chicken. I like to do this step because it helps me to know the quantity of ketchup and mayonnaise in my kebab. I want it really creamy, but in as much as I want it really creamy, I don't want it too creamy. So this is why I like to add it to the chicken. Next, I laid aluminium foil on my surface and I'm going to put the kebab bread on it. Then add my ketchup and mayonnaise to the kebab bread. I'm now adding the salad. I'm using cabbage and carrots, which have been shredded already. I'll also be adding the chicken to it and the hot dog. You don't need to overfill this because when you overfill it, then you won't be able to cover the kebab properly. You need to wrap the shawarma tightly and gently and then secure both edges. This is to avoid the chicken and the salad that you've added from falling out. Let's do that one more time. Ketchup and mayonnaise, the salad, and then the chicken and the hot dog. Then you wrap again tightly and secure with an aluminium foil. To warm this shawarma, you can either put it in the oven or in a grill pan, and you can also use a grill, which is what I want to use, and I'm just adding a little bit of butter on it, and this is optional. This is just to make it visually appealing. The shawarma is ready now and you can enjoy it with any drink of your choice. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, share with your family and friends. If you have any questions or recommendations, I'll be in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Bye.